This is your questions for your Unit 3 review. Number 1. Read the sentence from stanza 2. Ernie always listened to advice. What does advice mean? A. Words. B. Speech. C. Guidance. D. Radio. 2. What does the phrase, "and he thought just one red couldn't hurt" mean? A. Doing the laundry is not painful. B. Ernie thinks adding one red sock is okay. C. Red clothes are easy to wash. Or D. Ernie's mom doesn't like the color red. 3. What figurative language is found in stanza 5? A. Onomatopoeia. B. Simile. C. Hyperbole. D. Personification. 4. Why does Ernie wince? A. The clothes aren't clean. B. Adding the red sock was a bad idea. C. His mom scares him. Or D. He added green clothes to the laundry. 5. You Can Tell Ernie Gondry Did the Laundry is a poem because it has A. A lesson to teach the reader. B. A story to tell the reader. C. Lines that end in a rhyme. Or D. Characters and a narrator. 6. Which of these is an example of figurative language? A. He was so very nice. B. Like a cannon shot. C. Listen to Jean's advice. Or D. Fretting about the color of socks. Number 7. In line 10, red gumball of socks means A. Two socks. B. Clump of socks. C. Socks that have gum in them. Or D. Socks that can bounce. 8. Ernie's mother warned him about the green clothes because she A. Knew they contained powerful dyes that stained material. B. Worried that Ernie would break the washing machine by overloading it. C. Thought these articles of clothing were difficult to clean. Or D. Hoped Ernie would forget about doing laundry and go outside to play. 9. What is the best summary of the poem? A. Ernie's mom as so appreciative that he offered to wash clothes. B. Ernie was being helpful and washed all the whites. C. Ernie took out the green laundry but forgot one red sock and turned the clothes pink. Or D. Ernie was nice and waited for the clothes to finish washing. 10. Why did the poet include the line, "and Ernie started feeling sick"? A. To show that Ernie couldn't finish laundry because he was sick. B. To show that doing chores makes us not feel good. C. To show that Ernie was upset about turning the clothes a different color. Or D. To show that his trick made his stomach upset. These questions are for an unexpected adventure. 1. Which choice best describes the main conflict in the story? A. Cassie's party and the trip are on the same weekend. B. Cassie does not like Selena. C. Selena's mother won't let her stay with her grandmother. Or D. Selena is annoyed with Rick. 2. In paragraph 3, Selena's cheeks turned red to show that Selena is A. Embarrassed, B. Running, C. Upset, D. Thrilled. 3. Before leaving for Florida, Selena's attitude toward her mother is A. Resentful and disobedient, B. Gentle and loving, C. Delighted but defiant, or D. Respectful but disappointed. 4. Paragraph 5 is mainly about A. Selena's disappointment, B. The drive to Florida, C. Selena meeting her cousin, or D. Finding a manatee. 5. In paragraph 11, the author writes that thoughts of the party vanished like a puddle on a hot day to show that A. Selena will not have fun in Florida. B. Selena still wants to go to the party. C. Selena is not thinking about the party anymore. Or D. Cassie has canceled the party. 6. In paragraph 14, an antonym of the word tousled is A. Cleaned, B. Messed, C. Pulled, D. Straightened. Number 7. The theme of the story could be A. It doesn't matter what you want, you have to listen to your mom. B. You should always give ideas a chance before you judge. C. You are amazing, a true manatee heroine. Or D. Cousins can be your friends too. 8. What is the best summary of the passage? Selena takes a trip to Florida to see her cousins and rescues a manatee. B. Selena got invited to a party and she has always wanted to go. Her mom told her she could not go because they are going to see their family that they have not seen in many years. Selena and her family drove to Florida. On the drive, Selena's brother kept talking about how much fun they were going to have. When they got there, there were many introductions and Selena ended up having fun. C. While in Florida, Selena and her cousins found a hurt manatee on the beach. They called rescue and were excited to go and see the animal the next day. Or D. Selena wanted to go to a party, but it was on the same weekend as a family trip. When she arrived in Florida, her and her cousins found a hurt manatee on the beach. They called rescue to help. Selena realized that she was having fun with her family. 9. How did Selena change from the beginning of the story to the end? A. In the beginning, she was excited, but then was upset. At the end, she was happy. B. Selena was nervous about the party, then was mad about missing the party. At the end, she was mad at her mom for missing all the fun. C. Selena was upset about the party, but was happy when she learned they were going to Florida. Or D. Selena was upset about missing the party the whole time. 10. At the end of the story, the reader can predict that Selena A. is anxious to return home, B. will enjoy the rest of her visit with her cousins, C. is afraid of manatees, or D. will never speak to Cassie again. This completes the reading of your Unit 3 review questions. Please make sure that you have put your name on your review and you have showed proper strategies on your passages as well as your questions.